Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission Provincial Management Services Screening Test paper that was conducted today on 16th July 2025. I am going to share complete solved paper. However, some MCQs are missing. So here we go. These questions are in a sequence as given in the paper, actual paper. So question number 1, opposite of Zomoranius is compiled. Question number 2, key one has the reserves of. Question number 3, author of Fiz Zillal ul Quran, Abu al Modudi. Question number 4, Indus Water Treaty suspended after Fulwana attack on. None of these. Actual suspension was in 2019. 2025 dates are fictional. Question number 5, angel Jews consider their enemy Hazrat Jibril alayhi salam. Question number 6, 2025 United Nations Ocean Conference location June 11 to 17 in Lisbon, Portugal. Question number 7, act that ended East India Company's power, Government of India Act 1858. Question number 8, code name of Iran's 2025 attack on Israel, Operation True Promise A. Question number 9, Hertz Meyer's sound waves. Question number 10, synonym of fable, crude. Question number 11, the letter dash by the time she arrived had been written. The letter had been written by the time she arrived. Question number 12, opposite of Hackneyed, chartered. Question number 13, Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam sent to Banu Thamud. Question number 14, synonym for wheeler, reference. Question number 15, sun shines vertically on equator twice a year. Question number 16, Black Sea Mediterranean connector, Turkish Straits. Question number 17, Gandhi Jinnah talks 1944 location, Bombay Presidency, a residency of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mumbai. Question number 19, Pakistan is a founding member of which regional organization? Option B, SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Question number 20, in which surah of Holy Quran Bismillah is given 2 times? Option A, Surah Al-Naml. Question number 21, the book Pakistan, a Hard Country is written by? Answer C, Anatole Lieven. Most repeated questions in examinations. Question number 22, 18th Amendment in the Constitution of Pakistan amends Article B, option 8, Article 8. Question number 23, who wrote the book Reconciliation, Islam, Democracy and the West? B, option Benazir Bhutto. Question number 24, plague is caused by bacterium. Answer A, Yersinia pestis. Question number 24, which religion's sacred book is Quran? Hinduism. Question number 26, which of the following best describes the initial nature of Muslim society in the Indo-Pakistan subcontinent after the Arab arrival in Sindh? D, urban, administrative and inclusive. Question number 27, the artificial intelligence chatbot Bird is developed by? A, Google. Question number 28, which of the following books is comprehensive of all the 7 Hadith books? Option D, Jami' Tirmizi. Question number 29, which country announced its withdrawal from the International Criminal Court ICC on May 20, 2025? Hungary. B option is correct. Question number 30, who was the only Muslim member in the House who opposed objective resolution of Pakistan in this assembly? D, Mia Iftikharuddin. Question number 31, Shah Waliullah's most famous scholarly work about Quranic exegesis is Hujjatullah Baligha. B option is correct. Question number 32, heat exchanger tubes are never made of? B, lead. Question number 33, who is meant by AI Gemini among zakat deserving people? Mughraddin Al-Ghamini. Question number 34, in order to internalize the dictum of the sage, The discipline completed the sentence. D. Did not miss any details. Question number 35. He is blind dash one eye. Fill in the blank space with suitable prepositions. Of. He is blind of one eye. D option is correct. Question number 36. Dash are more important in a precis than in summary, order and vocabulary. Question number 37. The international dateline passes through A. Bering Strait. Question number 38. India always denounced which treaty agreement between China and Pakistan? Pak-China boundary agreement, option A. Question number 39. Which Israeli airbase was among Iran's reported targets? A. Negev Air Base. Question number 40. The SI unit of charge is B. Coulomb. Question number 41. What is the name of Pakistani origin scientist who for the first time connected a chip to the human brain? Dr. Naveed Imam Syed. Question number 42. Which is not a type of plague? D. Lymph plague. Question number 43. Interferon is secreted by C. Virus infected cells. Question number 44. Kimberlite pipes are best known for being a primary source of diamonds. Question number 45. Which country hosted the 8th European Political Community Summit in May 2025? B. Albania. Question number 46. All objectives experience force of buoyance when they are immersed in a fluid. Question number 47. What significant agreement did the World Health Assembly adopt on May 20, 2025? C. Pandemic Preparedness Treaty. So mostly questions in current affairs were asked in May. Question number 48. Dash is not a type of compute on the basis of operation. Remote. Question number 49. Who became the first North American Pope elected in May 2023? Pope Francis II. Question number 50. The immune system comprises A. Humoral and cell-mediated systems. Question number 51. The energy possessed by the body by the virtue of its motion is known as kinetic energy. Question number 52. Hazrat Yunus first landed was the interpretation of word fish. C option. Question number 53. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact proclaimed the suspension of civil disobedience movement. Question number 54. Which Christian leader supported the creation of Pakistan? C. Noel Israel Khokhar. Question number 55. They were invited dash dinner. Fill in the blank space with suitable preposition. 2. They were invited to dinner. Question number 56. CFCs are crucial in global warming along with their role in ozone depletion as it is absorbs solar radiations. C option is correct. Question number 57. Pakistan has become non-permanent member of United Nations 2025-2026 for the 8th time. Question number 58. The science of drawing maps is called cartography. Question number 59. How Pakistan supported the Algerian freedom fighters against the French colonial power? Helped them to travel on Pakistan passport. Question number 60. Variety in paragraph means various examples. Question number 61. The cook said, I shall table the dinner on time. Select the correct reported speech. The cook said that he would table the dinner on time. Question number 62. Attock Fort was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Question number 63. Being impressed by Muhammad's honesty and good manners, Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha sent him the message of marriage by her which servant? Hazrat Muhammad Khatmun Nabin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And the correct answer is D. Bara. Question number 64. Name the religion in which wine is not prohibited. Christianity. A. Question number 65. Who has been awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 2024? Anna Enquist. Question number 66. A purpose of a hook in a paragraph is to grab the reader's attention. Question number 67. What incident triggered protest in Los Angeles on June 5, 2025? A police shooting. Question number 68. Which of the following religions believes in the existence of Allah? Muslims. Question number 69. The first canal water agreement between India and Pakistan was signed on May 4, 1950. A. Question number 70. Don't open the door, she said. Identify the correct reported speech. She said not to open the door. Question number 71. Pakistan would have destroyed India completely if India had delayed the ceasefire. Question number 72. During the period of Feroz Khan Noon, Muscat handed over Gwadar to Pakistan on 8th September 1958. Question number 73. How many Hajj did Prophet Muhammad Khatmun Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform? 1. Question number 74. What was the Khilafat movement's stance towards British rule? Passive resistance. Question number 75. The biggest dam of Pakistan is Tarbela Dam. Question number 76. Religion of majority of Arabs before Islam was paganism. Question number 77. Pathogens are responsible for causing elephantiasis that is transmitted to a healthy person through female mosquito. Question number 78. On Saturday, AI published a left now or never are we to live or perish forever in dash from Cambridge advocating for creation of separate Muslim state in British India. A. January 1933. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. If you know the remaining MCQs, just comment. Thank you. Stay connected.